the 60's scoop.
In 1965, the federal government took the authority for keeping these young Indian kids to the province and Children's Aid Society to look after them. And the Children's Aid Society came on, and this I know exactly what I know, every bit of it, because they came to me, and I said, you just don't take any children away from here until I can say. I said, I'm the chief, and I'll tell you when you can take. So we had a council. I said, where do you get the authority? From the Children's Aid Society. I said, well, no. I said, where did you get the member from this? They said, we appointed him. No, I said, you didn't appoint nobody. Chief and council appoints people, not you, nobody else. And then so they left. But then they started to come and take the children out. At the time I wrote, you're doing away with their language, you're doing away with their the loss of their parents, or you might be doing away with even their supper. And I said, and you just go and do it without any authority whatsoever from the people as you're doing it. And they've had a court case from 1965 on. What I wrote them days won the case. And it was over $1 billion now.
On February 14, 2017, after an 8-hour court battle, an Ontario Supreme Court judge has found that the federal government failed to prevent unreserved children from losing their Indigenous identity after they were forcibly taken from their homes as part of what is known as the 60's scoop. Thousands of First Nations children were placed in non-Indigenous care between 1965 and 1984, which resulted in psychological harm that has affected survivors into adulthood. Justice Edward Belobaba wrote in his ruling, siding with the 16,000 plaintiffs.